also a family. He was once a member of the family of the economic department. So he will behave more like a host than a guest. Welcome you, sir. Professor Guru. We have also with us Professor Milan to give a thematic presentation on the topic of the seminar.
Honorable Chief Research Officer Dr. Niranjan Guru sir, Head of the Institution Professor Prabhat Kumar sir, Head of the Department Mamata Madam, and Head of the Department of English Gyanendra sir. So today's our discussion topic, seminar topic is industrial development and environmental hazards, and linked to the environment and its implementation. So as you all know, industrial development has been one of the driving forces behind economic growth and all over the world. So it has opened doors to countless job opportunity from manufacturing sector to service sector, export and import sector, agriculture sector, and most importantly energy production.
On industrial development and environmental hazard. We are gathered here to gain valuable insight, expand our knowledge and engage in meaningful discussion. As college students, seminars like this provide us with the opportunity to explore new perspectives, interact with the expert and apply what we learn.
Industry helps us live better lives, but it also affects the environment. This topic looks at how industry impacts our environment and what we can do about it. How industry harms the environment. Factories and other industrial activities can cause several environmental problems like air pollution. Factories release harmful gases into the air. From factories can pollute rivers and unusable using of resources. Natural habits harming plants and animals. The problem in developing countries, this problem is the environment. What can we do? We need to find ways for industry to grow without harming the
Higher standard of living. It also helps to stabilize a country economy and provide resources for investment in education, healthcare and infrastructure. While industrialization has brought
and improves living standards, it leads to technological advancement and infrastructure development, making life easier and more comfortable. Against industrial development, environmental hazards, industry plus pollution.
Who is responsible for that matter? We. आमे जते शिक्षित होचे आमे अशिक्षित काम आमे जते करूचे आमे शिक्षित होचे आम कोडरे आमे निजे पुराडी पकोचे किरे आमे परिवेश जदी सुस्त न रहबो परिवेश माने कोन ए जो माटी पानी पवन जो बायोटिक एंड एबियोटिक एलिमेंट्स which are present around us